Hello everyone, welcome to join RGB Link webinar. My name is Eric. Thank you for all of your connection with the webinar. I hope it can offer you a little different with other webinar you might have joined. Now I will introduce the webinar rules first. As we wish, we hope this is an interactive and engaging as possible as we wish. So in the question and answer section, if you have any question or suggestion on them, just write out in the message box. We have RGB Link support team can answer all of your questions online. And also today, Drake will show us the mini information through the live demo. And you are welcome to talk and discuss with us online. Today, my colleague Drake will share the presentation about more features of Mini. And now I will give the microphone to Drake. Wait a moment.
Hello everyone, welcome to RGB Link webinar. I'm Drake, and today is an especially webinar than we held before. And there is no new product come out, and we extend more function of Mini. And since Mini has published, many customers was very interested in this new product and has been watching the new version and the new function upgrade. And here I'm very thank you very much for your attention. And today we finally launched the beta version of Mini. The version 0.35 is the beta version of Mini, and we've improved the stability of the Mini and improved the embed heat problem and more. And not only we add the picture-in-picture model and add the shortcut key, and I will show you later and how to operation to do the picture-in-picture model and solve the audio problem, and it can connect to the PC software, and also the operation is convenient and simple. Okay, but also we improve knob queue and the T-bar view and the improve user experience. It's our responsibility. So Mini is very important. Okay, let's just see the appearance of Mini because some people or some customers never see the webinar we introduce Mini before. So I better to introducing the appearance and the interface and button again first. Okay, as you can see, the first picture is the real panel of Mini, and you can see there is the 5 HDMI ports and there have the 4 HDMI input ports, and each port totally support different video format input, and there is the HDMI output port, and this port is used for preview, and you can see the 6 picture on the screen, and I will show you the effect later in the live demo. Okay, and you can see there is the front panel of Mini, and you can see there is very sign design. It have 4 signal buttons, and each signal button is with each HDMI input port, and they have the 4 different type of the light. If you're going to red, and if going to green, and if that's going to drinking green, and all it means different condition of the connection. Okay, I will show you and see more detail on the live demo. And you can see there is a T-bar. It's very have the advantage of this device because it can do the presets. You can do the picture-in-picture model and preset it. Then when your setting is successful, and push the T-bar to the program and make sure your audio and your people in the live stream room can see the very safety picture. Also, they have the tool rotary and to select the menu and the option like this, and they have the 2 button. One is S button and M button is future and menu. Okay, then there is the TFT screen. Is a big advantage of Mini because it can preview 4 signal inputs real time. It doesn't matter it's the video or it's a photo, and you all can see in the TFT screen because um, it's more give you more sensitive of safety. And then there is the left side of Mini, and you can see there is the 3 port. Actually, it's a 4 port. The first port is LAN port, and we can use it to connect your computer or connect to the network device and to control Mini. And I will show these features later. And please pay attention and how we operation it. And the next port is USB 3.0 in the middle. Then you can see USB 3.0 port. You can connect to your another computer and to live streaming. You can push flow to the YouTube, Facebook, and another platform to live streaming. So it's the operation is also convenient and simply. Okay, I will do it later in the live demo. Okay, then that is the audio input and output. It means that you can connect to your professional microphone and collect the better voices. Also, Mini can do the external audio external and audio embedded. That means you can use your microphone to connect to your voices and to turn them to the program and make sure your audios and your people in the live stream room can listening your voices more clearly and high quality. And there is the finally there is the audio output port, and this port you can listening this program voices or sound and make sure that all the live streaming procedures is very safely and effective. Okay. And the next page is screw hot, and we designed it is for moving Mini easily. And you can fix on your tripod and to moving it and whatever you live streaming in the inside or outside is also convenient to moving, especially some professional condition. So it can work, and we hope this design will help you. Okay, then it's unpack um, section, and now I got a Mini, and there is the package, and later I will unpack it. Please, my colleague Eric to adjust the camera and to shot the full processes of unpack. Hello everyone, and you can hear that is the real Mini package, and we can see all the design is the flat design, and it's the main color is green going to blue. Okay, you can see that is the package. Okay, and you can see there is some features on it, such like mix and the preview and picture-in-picture HDMI, and use the USB 3.0 to live streaming, and you can use your mobile phone, whatever is iOS or Android, also can control it through wireless way. Okay, there is the Mini's logo left side, and there is RGB Link logo. Okay, let's see the real side. And you can see there is some platform to live streaming, and we taste it. We can support Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Blibli, and Zoom, such as the Microsoft Teams and Google Meeting. Also, we can support them. Not only this platform, or if you can use the OBS, we can push flow another platform if it supports. And later I will introducing what the OBS is. Okay, let's unpack it. Just like this. Whoa. You can see that it's real mini on it. Wow, they have the plastic to protect the mini. Ooh. Do it. Okay, this is the real mini. You can see it is the black color and the white color. There is the RGB logo, and there is the 4 HDMI input port and 1 HDMI output port. As we said before, it supports 4 different formats, signal inputs. Whatever it's 720p or 1080p, it also supported. Also, there is the USB, sorry, there is the HDMI port used for connecting the monitor to preview, and also supports the sixth preview. The full above picture, it means every HDMI input port signal, and we see the top left side is the preset, and the top right side is preview, and I will show you the real effect later. Okay, in more detail, I will show you later. And also there is a LAN port and the USB 3.0 port and the audio in and out. Also, it's I just introducing before. Okay, okay, there is the screw holes. Okay, this is the to fix on your tripod. Then this is the front panel of Mini, and you can see, and we adjust the filling of the T-bar, and the feel is good, and you can feel there's the high quality to push flow, and we taste it. We can push flow many times. Okay, then this is rotary, and the every level is clearly and feeling have the feedback. It's you can feel the feedback is very clearly, and the button and we to adjust the feeling, and you can press it very comfortable like this. Okay, okay, and even though that is TFT screen, and we can preview the 4 signal inputs, and we'll show you later for introducing that. Okay, this is the Mini's appearance. Let's see the box have adding another things. Okay, there is the quick start guide. You can see this is to introducing how to use the Mini, and have some operation guide. Okay, including the PC control, introducing on this. There is English, and there also have the Chinese. Okay, let's see there have a lot of things, and we can do that. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, this is okay. As you can see, we send you USB 3.0 A type A to type A, the cable, and this is used for to connect your computer to live streaming and the operation, and I will show you later and how to do it. Okay, there is the maybe, oh, this is the power supply, and it's very sorry. Okay, you can see this is maybe it's the 12 volts power supply. Oh, okay, you can see there is a interface, and we should what to then. Okay, and we give you more standard of the power supply. This is the um, Chinese standard, and we also give you a Europe standard. Okay, like this. So maybe this is better. Okay. So that is all the minis package in there. Please, Eric, to adjust the zoom, adjust the camera, and make sure my audio watch is more clearly. Then, and we more introducing about the recommended connection scheme, and we use Mini. The main condition is for use live streaming, and now there is the recommended connection scheme, and you can see we connected the long shot camera and use a close shot camera and the computer signal input and also ask. I'm just introducing one by one. Okay, as you can see, there is the long shot camera, and we can use this camera to shooting the live streaming rooms environment and more things. And the close shot is very important because some people will show the product more details, and the close shot is very useful. And there is the computer signal input, and you can play some video or do some introducing video, or you can play the picture, something like another signal or another format to connect it to the Mini and to to show your audience and to show your people in the live streaming room. And also the more important things is the point of the recommended connection scheme, and this is ask. And ask give you more possibility to connect more device, and not only you can connect to the DVD and another device such like camera with the HDMI output port. Also, you can even though you can use your phone to wirelessly to drop your phone screen to the ask, it means that you can show the operation on your phone to your audience and people in the live streaming room. Okay, then we add a HDMI port to connect to the preview, and you can use my RGB product such as 8242 8424, and use the monitor to preview that. And now we will show you later to connect the preview and see the effect. Then is the power supply. Okay. And there is the left side, and we can see we connect to the USB 3.0 to connect to your computer. And there is the microphone audio in, and there have the headphone to listening the voices and sound. And later I will show you about more detail, and let me show you how we connect it. Hello everybody, and you can see this is a Mini, and we gave them all 4 signal. You see then it's use my RGB MSP 200 Pro, give them a signal input, and we can connect it up first to a power supply. So the package is good. Okay, connected. I use the Chinese standard power supply. Connect the Mini. Okay, we can see the screen is turned light. You see that? Okay. Then we add the signal input to Mini. So you can see that it's a light, and if you connect to the HDMI signal, the light will turn on. Whoa. And I take my computer and connect the Mini. I'll give you more input. Okay. Okay. For example, and the 3 signal input is love, so it's okay. And I use my computer to connect to the USB 3.0 to live streaming and show more detail on the computer's interface. Okay, as you can see, then we add the three HDMI signal input and the USB 3.0 to connect my computer. Then I will connect the HDMI output port to the big screen, and you can see the effect, the preview. Hello everyone, did you see the big screen? And I will introducing this scheme, connection scheme. You can see there is the three signal inputs, and I'm not connected the signal 4 because, for example, it's not enough. And you can see there's a preset, and this is the program, and I will do some operations such as the picture in pictures. So this is better. Okay, such I do the picture-in-picture module. The first is do the picture-in-picture model. The first is setting the background, and please close the PH model first and set in the background because, for example, I want to the signal 3 to the background, and I choose send signal 3. Okay. Okay, I sit on a preset, and I open the picture-in-picture model. You this is to push the S button twice and choose the picture-in-picture model. Do adjust the camera to shooting the close shot, and I want to show more detail of my operation of Mini, Eric. Okay, I want to show more detail and how to operation it, so it's more better. And my colleague Eric will setting a picture-in-picture module and to see more detail and how to do this. Is it finished? Okay, open the picture. Okay. Okay. Does anybody see that? So, oh, I can see. Oh, okay, you can see there's more clearly see what I'm operation it. Okay, I just setting picture-in-picture model, and I want to setting the signal 3 to background, and the first choose the signal 3, and push the S button twice to setting the situation of picture-in-picture, and we support the 9 type or 9 situation of picture-in-picture, and more usually is in this one. Okay, and you can see the preset, the preset picture. They have a picture-in-picture module, and I want to change the small picture to signal 2, and I just to push the signal 2, and you can say the setting is successful. Then you just to push T-bar to the program. It finished the operation. You can see that it's very convenient and simply to do that. Okay, as you can see the big screen, and this is the program, and it means that the live streaming room people can see this the picture. So it's very safety because they have the T-bar. If you set in the picture model, and please better make sure your the switching model to the T-bar is better. If you use the fast model, you cannot the preset filters because it's not very safety. So I just think that if you see it in the picture model and better open the T-bar switching mode. Okay, that is the picture-in-picture module. And also we have some shortcuts, like some controller uh, will see the program, the picture, what is the program picture and the condition, and just to long touch the rotary, you can change the HDMI port to the program. You just see the big screen then. I just long touch the right side of the mini. Right side of the mini is rotary. Okay, as you can see that. So it's very more convenient and simply operation. Even though there is some other operation like in the menu button, and we can change the audio and to the external or embedded, and I can open the audio bar on and off, and so it is very useful then, and we hope you can use this um, features, and we hope these features will help you then. Okay, this is the operation of that. Then I want to show more detail about how to use the USB Capture 3.0 to live streaming. Okay, as you can see, then we just connected the my computer, and it's very simply and easily to show that. Okay, I just to open the Safari and logging the YouTube. Logging the YouTube. Just connected the network first. Okay, then is successful. And I open the YouTube. Yeah, everybody can see the detail of the screen of my computer. Hello? Okay. So the network is very slow. Internet is very slow. Did I connect to the internet? Oh, the internet is too slow. Let me change the line. Okay. Okay, it's connect successful. Please wait a moment to loading picture. Okay. Then we can add the live start to live streaming. Wait a moment. Okay. Better use the Chrome. It's better, but Safari it um cannot support the camera. Safari is much better, and use the Chrome. Okay. Login YouTube again. Okay. Oh, it's fast. Let's do that and start to live streaming. The internet, especially YouTube, Google in China is not very stable. Okay, wait a moment, loading. It is finished. Is that finished? Okay, let me do another way. Just okay. I just for example to introducing how to use the mini to live streaming because YouTube and Facebook the internet connection is not very stable, and I just use the OBS to for example now, and the operation is very easily and the same. Okay, I just open the OBS. OBS is the full name is the Open Broadcast Software, and I will introducing what the software can do then. And you can see we change the source and we add this, and in there, and just to choose the USB device, and you can see the picture is there's the program, and you can see that in the big screen. So the Facebook live stream and YouTube is same operation like this. You just to choose the signal source. The one is the FaceTime is your computer camera, and another is the USB device. The signal is from Mini, and you can choose this device to live streaming and the same operation like this. So it's very simply just for example for it. Okay, that is for live streaming then. Okay. Okay, there is especially I want to introducing that if you live streaming and there give you a code to connect to the live streaming room, and just to click the start to live streaming. At first you can setting on the setting, and there is the push flow or live streaming, and please to type the service on it or your website or your link of your live streaming, and there is the password or code, and the platform will provide this code to you, and type in this, and then we all ready and to click the start to push flow, and the picture will push flow to your platform, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and another platform is also support that. So it's very important that. Okay, let's just example, and I will do it. And that is finished then. Okay. So that is the operation of minis can do that, and there is another operation, and some people was asked that how to switch in the signal, and I want to introducing that. And you can see there is the mini, and there is the there is the uh, four type of lights, and the first is the read. The read is means the signal, such like the signal 2 is on the program, and the twinkling green button is means the signal is on the preset or preview. The next program, if you move the T bar, and the signal 1 will change to the program. And the three, it's the green light, and it means the signal is connected and can work. And the button 4, it's the turn on. It have no light on, so it means that there can without connected any signal, and if you connect the signal, and the button 4 it cannot turn on, it means the signal have some problem. So that is all. If you want to change the signal, just press the signal button and push the keyboard to switching. Yeah, so it's very easily and suitable. Also, you can change the effect, switching effect, and I just for example, and I love this, so I just do. You can see that is the effect. Okay, so it's very easy to use that. So there is the operation of mini live demo. Okay, is Eric to cut the slide. Okay, This is the recommended connection, and I will introducing some operation of Mini, and then let me introducing the more important things is software control. And let's just see how to connect it. And just use your LAN port to connect the Mini and the computer, and make sure your computer and Mini in the same IP segment. Okay, so let's show the live demo of that. And first, we're just introducing how to connect it. Please, Eric, to change the camera signal. Okay, as you can see, there is the LAN port, and you can see that. And I just to connect the Mini and my computer. Okay, and the second is make sure your IP address of Mini is um, same as the computer. Let's just see that in the menu button, you can see the information option. Press it, and you can see all the Mini's IP. If you first get the device, is 192.168.000.019.9. Okay, this is all the IP address. If you want to change it, you can press the menu button to change the IP address. Okay, then I will show you how to setting the IP address and make sure your Mini is connected to the computer and do that. Okay, let Eric to see my computer signal. Did anyone can see that? Okay, this is my computer user interface, and now let me check that. Check the internet or the IP address is same as the Mini. There have the property, and use the IPv4. This is and use this one and change type the IP address same as Mini, and we do 0.55. It's better, and okay, and confirm, Eric confirm. And now I open the Mini address, Mini software. Okay, as you can see, there is the RGB Link Mini's device. So the IP address is 192, same as I told you before. And just click that, and you can see there is the user interface is same as the Mini front appearance. Every features is on the M button, and you can see the different signal input formats. Okay, so it's up to support the SMT standard and 1020p and 60 hertz. There is HDMI output port we can use is to preset or program and format. I can change this format, and the USB 3.0 is same as the HDMI output port. And there is a mix. We can change the mix mode, T-bar or fast, and also can switching the time. So 1 second it's better. And the effect, picture in picture, the same operation like I operation this and live streaming, and you can use the USB 2.0 and the H.265. Then audio, and we can use audio embedded or external, the same operation like the real Mini device. And the text partner, and we can use a text partner to do some taste if the device have some problem or some issues, and you can use the taste problem to make sure it's the device problem or your signal problem. Okay, HTML out setting also. Password, and let me just important introducing the password protection. And totally one PC software can control 128 minis. So if everyone in the same IP segment and open the minis software, it can search the mini and make sure other people cannot control your mini, and you can setting the password to protect. And now I change to 1 2 3 4. So and now we set it and back to the menu, and there is you need a password to control that. So it's a very safety it's very safety features to control mini. And there is a LAN port set, and see then. Okay, version T-bar correction. You can correction T-bar or reset. And some people will maybe if you forgot the password, just to factory reset the mini, and the password is will cancel. Okay, that is the minis application software. Also, we can use T-bar to switching. So it's very easy and simple. So that is the mini software. All right. And now I will introducing, and everybody want to know how to recording it and use mini, and way more use the OBS to recording. And let me introducing what is OBS. Just I see before OBS, the full name is Open Broadcast Software. It's a third-party software. It can identify the USB signal source, and also can live streaming by OBS. Also, you can recording the signal by OBS. If you want to see more information of OBS, you can log in or to website of OBS is more clearly the information of that. I just know that it can identify the USB signal source, can push flow, can live streaming, and can recording the signal. Just okay. Okay, this is the let me see the okay, this is the OBS. Okay, as you can see, then we can add the source, and I just introducing before, and so it's enough. Okay,